Ipako bedo tana. No say me now you do ko wari me gbe. Ero vi me 6 months o even je wa badon o momo. But right now okonomo mene o mujuwo wa no gbe gba o re wa.
Okay.
All of them match with the station the last month they anywhere they train 4 children when not being young. The one where you born all the woman we born from a bad woman. In that time at the station anywhere again why no ya come. A boy get all late in it. Can the park because I see a park baby no so a boy we have a gap a park be no although that not then another thing I really a park be all they finish the statement where a single mother who na marry yane yana womo we ti gwe koke o because if any okpa MFI wo ma finish statement ni because they are not marry a single mother no kan womo ne una marry and kono gu we ya marry ko nu we kan womo na okpa or avoid 20 children o the responsibility now fall on you because now those children are now your step children. You may do understand mommy so if any on finish statement anywhere one date a single mother I got the meaning of a single mother. I mean, one year I'm a sweet machine gone. I work about my investing because in Yagale, one year, Guale, Baba, no get a bean. But when I marry, where yes, it's not your wife confirmed, then you cannot take the responsibility of that children. Since they not paying no motor whole war. So you cannot take that responsibility of that single mother children and start training them because they are not your stepchildren. But guess what, mommy? Ube gave a single mother children gave cocoa now. Again, another atawe mo and I agwale baba agwale riyan here. But I'm here to bust a lot of bubbles. These children, they know who really trained them. Or not don't they spend not say carry not as a father. Most of them now, what man also in Canada or Free State, or can you marry? Or where's their father marriage? Because era abandon on 4 years. Yeah, now you have stress station, now you have that they share here. But okay, I'm married because it's just best story. Then on have you prove him, man. When they were cooking, prove him, man. Yeah. Okay, I'm married. I want to step for that step aside where she say, "Hey, can't know where that is a sperm donor. I cannot call that my father." But you see, this my stepfather. No, mujene from 4 years. Nigga, je 39 years in Jena. Or he amuda as a father. I can also do the same thing. Well, if me, I can marry back where I will not abandon money, maybe 6 months, or daughter say, father, Egba. No one do cook where yet, Bamoko, cooking on Muja, not any. Again, that 10 years, Valeria, you know, they happen again for a basis of talking Magijena. It does not happen. Money me ju me pie eja igari e de when me wa bali winner ya bali winner na maternity leave na egbo mo yeke egbo na ameroba na 2 level here drop e scooter buy ya pick e ra ma wo e ra gbon then one in 80 of that female right now ania oko the general send them or me no de me de give me na revo me na awe do money can marry all the what that female na hearing no abandon and no say 6 months or here esunu what no so that is what we are trying to say where a park of the finish statement anywhere we na marry yan e wa ti kun yan gba oro mo but it was just on the part of where a single mother which it was also right. But don't finish the statement because a lot of people now, yeah, like the single mother, you wire money, I can't be a level here. I went and go on. That statement was supposed to be.
Oh, my when no. Mama, what can you not pay school fees? You got any year? Oh, we are
Mama, a message,
right now. Okay, to the extent you see me like station, they did not mention now. To arrest me, they marriage me. So I just say, you know, where 4 children are queen now. No, all they are not fair. Is that not person that fair woefully? Only our contributing you where Ovana bled a single mother. So who are married, who are going money tomorrow, those children will thank you. But now when you made the way to get marriage, where you have a million years of a single mother, then if you were where as your 1 naira, who come and know you was a now go money. So I know it's who I have money to all right.
Amana mama. God bless you. Hey, yeah, in your way. nous give a message now. Woman abroad, que evanire Nigeria, que evanire webo. Nous gwa lotoi, anybody raw with Nigeria or webo ni aladian. The platform we ni adogunwa. De opiaro norie ohu maybe ohu na waiwu or ohu no a single mother opiano hiriye ona total the palo ona collect bride prize ogo monoma bie mom jore ya we no gwa luto e do ro do sunu or do ve sunu ne because very my home be so we ọmakọkọ mọ ọnọkọ kei ọkẹ amujaba ọnọkẹ de ìyẹn ẹgbẹ ìmàta ìmàdí kàgbẹ yes ìyẹn àwẹ video fine ìmàdí against ẹ but wàgìmà gbàlùtọ èdè máa rọ nọrí a single mother at the end of the day ọmọnìkà àwẹ marriage òpìàní ọkọlẹtẹ bride price ọwọ ọmọnàmàbíẹ dọrọ nígbẹ ní aládìyàn. Ni man neya so that we go see use and learn home and abroad doro
dama gelero very we no ladia when the more progressive time na
la wo wa ladia
ije na
what total what receive that price
is wa talk be o ma ladia ko Ise. Okay, sunu dawe.
Yes, that was sunu dawe. We no sit no sunu dawe.
Wa mi ro wa sunu dawe. Ono go prove. Ono na jenana. Do we wa no go we wa no make now go to the street. Okay, we man we go here. Okay, go we ya.
Yes, if you don't find your mama, a woman have your moko now. Every abazo no mona ni je. Every abazo no mona ni je. Every of the share or for mona. Or one another now, we should walk your mona. Or we go to now abazo no mona abazo ni je. Every of your mona okay, enjoy you. All this said, they were raised, but mona be your for your dog. Then, in another way, I have one here. All the enemy no more than any each and every way I should wear over his dead body. This week, every year, my local for one, every year, I have that price of one. Every put the that price of most. Every one, I'm not sure if I'm not one of people. And then I have people go to one now. Each and every year, put the that price. Every year, I move there. You get a great put the black price of one. Depends if family people and family of them. But what about no money? And you cannot put less family people to get black price. Depends the family. Who I get to family down. Who let 1 year there? I saw one for money.
Okay. On my way, so.
Why you talk by him?
Why
you talk by him?
Mommy, a question I know. A question is more blessed. This stepfather collect iguana. So only any more bless you away topic in the
hello, what we are again. A park of the way near the daddy and maybe a single mother. Oh, when you are investing ya or money, I'm a beer. Not someone not beer, why I investing now here. Oh, your cocktail, or mine your cocktail, or more than worry. Oh, here Gualem or no beer. Or when an army where a step a husband to their mother. Or total any maybe Jinya do way or Magwin a cocomo, no domingo. A last name of your honey, or making your stepfather.
Well, power tapping now. Let's go to 300.
Or making your stepfather, and making on you the truth.
And my man do argue now, and in the panita was very right, 100% correct. Because now you have some be I.
You have it of it. Oh, mom, era mama na train no more. Era money now. The one ye. Era mama na train no more. O mazige school no more. O mama e wanera. O saloba nera tose wese. The one oe dima. O we ameti e abio ukwenu we ya mweke gbewe. Tewata. O we mana mweke gbewe. Ologo mano. Oh yeah, oh work by a figure no do era. O mana era agbon yoto. Wa we give
Mommy Yore, God bless you. Now I like baby. Even the progress taba, I can answer before I can answer we work okay like taba. First of all, the progress taba where door possible the step for that total Yevani collective or more possible. For when me ya go about, I was speaking based on where omo bia me bie, right? Omo ko am we go jo wana gwale baba hian. Omo bia enya kan ya mare okuo be ya mu go jo wa ma boni de baba be bani. That is it. Or anybody can swear here. Anything where I'm going to so I want me a guan kind ban. I want more. Era Moswari total. I guess their father called which is for a little dome. Guan can cover do pataki working. Uwekere era mekere. So I get stepfather. For example, Banaway or Moho, even ASC me bania. I got that female do total Ivani where I want to collect a corner mutual. Our one here. Our one not an edu. I saw whether you rag bomb. Era can collect even some women like many men jedi men na mo ko ni me awu make a wa ge anyway wa bure ni ra wa ya pay we make say Nigeria okay so wa ya ene but to beg that occasion that party ni na total gege ni mi sha ra pe be dian no ba pe wo do e fe ba be smell wa e bra president go aka 24 naira na dele yan dele ororo dele fi gbon no awa kun ege wo wa ai kun ege wo wa the next day I will fit. Yeah, over effect day where a television TV Ghana say your motive your mona, but that one where but when it comes to where I don't total I don't where am I do ever they step now step in. That is for me. Everybody get their own policy. You understand me? But say that bride price money against their father collect our why not on edo. They run a yaragbon. Era ye wu no mana ye yaragbon. Are you get be no iso egbe. I let the stepfather. So, mommy, no matter bana where era na iwu, era wu, yes, or money or work ya we need bore. Don't na woman na go I get baby you go do one.
Mama, go met me okpama we. Me yeti se we figure here. Understand? Ojo Niki. We me yeti se we life in animal ya living na. What say we all na do change. Understand? Exist. Muem no se dinata. Damn you, emena ko beki ata gume momwe topic nari, momwe issue nari babana. Understand? So, emena ko beki ata o ma we na ge gba ogo vie si go moda.
Yes.
O ma ta video. O we but we ti so we aye, nu we ye ki we bie. We are 10,000 naira. The way I pay go via si go moda 200,000 naira.
Yes.
The no man your way the same position. Many man it automatic me done. Okay, now do I go where Abera no maze yomo. Where set it to sell who fi with them. Me ma ya ni we marriage ne. We start eri ya river. Am eri ya everywhere. If you say man ye me go in Nigeria ni. The way marriage of recent. My ya dege media. Ayari rari. So, say we fi we here. All they say we gonna fi.
Abi edoni mezewe. Abi mena for them. Tadi seti ba we tana. Iwe jo ma be ni era ye be ni.
So anyway, because I mean I go back and go kan o ya ri bute ni bia. Where ni agba ogo mo ni abe bie. Be no taye na. Etu we tana we baby father we okoke 4 children. Egba ogo we. Okay, no na cook 4 children e ko ri we. So I mean man it all there both sides. Or when no taken over Kabie, no more the same position, then obviously go more than ever do vaji. And ye me done.
Oh, my matter where me done or where damn it.
Mama, why me done no? Mama, why me done, brother? And what one way tan, what give a nick go. Brother, if you know what Tanik, Oma go against the park or better. The same thing I so, who want to talk, Sister Rose? Mama, go for you.
It's
Mommy,
call me Jimmy.
when you head though, Maka Biego, cause me ma Viego, ma Biero Viego, when you are bow, we money are biele. Because it yet do, he made that Tiani who are being job because he some of them in here. A Tiani who be very frustrated. That is the American bow, he need a book or you Tiani, they are calling a bow money up here, which is very bad. Well, I think he got a Kishi Monega jail last week. But you know, poor. Women no not do na mombiori. What boom me a day. Mana when I don't wait on me very soon, or how he was soon. Ina we no we aso amwe e TJ school no kawe mu tsana we kula flashy mowa. Ona nwaso we ijie we na we we ya temo pa ma me na go voni ahin. O we jere ni yede ba wa be ya dropping ye school we ga vone. Iwe ga vone. Ihin o do ajame there's all like bedroom do ajame ya pin ewe. Ugbe so mu ye bi school to je a sweater no ti ko do ya gun you wear a vagin no ni he mi na gbiyan ugbe si kan me daddy no ni le vagin po lo se vagin la o me go ni fi o bi kan ni tenu mi go na ni gba me fe na ro kwa wa we owo ko ye be ke ni o doju o ko yin ni o do mu yin ju o me so we hita kakabo so igbin ya won ugbe so we o gbe ti yin o ke pari e ke mu yin ari school ni ka won ti ne I mean, not one era do can I stepfather or do a stepfather. And where we go, you okay. And melt not the children, they're going to have a point.
Come on. I don't know how they go.
I will address him. A topic in I have any Maggie Guayona. On my way, a stepfather no marine. Ote. Side chick and ekbiano wonwo wagima mo yo sin ma make na etiri bude ni ma we leni wo side chick girlfriend single mother then me single mother na ya okbia yi do friend there okbiano wonwo wo wa o memo nye do pay school 300,000 no bi me obi ye guy 40,000 yobo ka Wagata say whether you are married and that for when married when the matter na makoni side chica kana side chiquito no me 300,000 I pay go a school in them more 300,000 ye money
Mommy fetty, mommy wear side chicken.
Side chicken. So no do one contribute to your waga make na when the park kobeyata na ni magwa your very or say that I learn I bet manic bia here we understand yes irenia make na ka uyo wane wa we say no gwa ya
mommy yore wabo it's all warogba
What's up, man?
Do we amakoko gere atukoko amakoko men wata amakoko mobo kwa koko goma ukbiana we moku as a single mother ubege na una uwe moe ba gwalo ve okuna we moe na unyime agwalo ogenwa otife okuna o yin single mother But my unyime ma favor biani but all the favor biawe obega we I river me bagmo asa na me wono koma eni me would meta mana we oyi me na awase you see everything except of my experience even my experience here argue me manager na I'm a legally married father to a single mother. I was a single father and I married to a single mother. As I speak to you, David Megwagwana, he make baoda woman, he baoda way. What's here? You cannot marry to a woman. I will be wicked life. When me responsibility already. Or my baby boy are there as a man. Where a power to go about that like you want the relation. No, walk you around the way, man. Una vedo investigate the community noje. A community ni woje. Unyimia e wono ri community ni ya.
Ogugwe lugane ni mata.
Okay, me metana we ogo money back.
Ogugwe lugwe betana. That one is normal because ogugwe we gba ogo we gba ori sigo money matana we en wa gba ori sigo mo danu fi lo we kwa. Oh, no, ni be sigo mo da 200. Ogugwe do 40. Only matana ogugwe another direction we wa la baba.
Ko ye wese nu na bedo direct ni. Avati o ni ri na bi gba no bun. Wa una gele awe gbe radio ufi nyime wure because ogere ni kokoni
do no gba ogere get 50-50 kekere o then of your gere private of your go private
yo keke me na
of your gere private of your gere government school mana
me maja ye amigbe ma bere
no gere nyari go no giya o vi nyari giya beti akoko gere Only mana. Only
anyway,
why exist?
Anyway,
exist. Me wa mi one exist.
Anyway,
la wa power tap me o wa be gift to your program.
I'm power tap.
Marvelous. O se ni alo no bi yan.
Wa go round up big man 500. Domo. Anyway, different characters are me and again you cannot change human being. Obeg also about your man worry. We have make character, different characters, and that way we made the win of the year live a life for it. I'm at our water. Again, after my good, so no touching because we ate about the get with so where what we are no real Canadian, not by no revenue, we didn't know quite, or we have no way 50-50 you get bound because I will walk back by I will be here. If I only water say what was okay, Wesley Marvelous. I got when I 50-50 now. I got when I 50-50 ni. Omu yero. Because why? If you wear EQ we ya boy. Obviously, go more than we. It's gonna we marry. Wo BOA. Hunda we ya marry here. Or can ya 60-40? If that 50-50 ni, ye ma because we he compare or mon we you wear beard down. Or that may children. We ya we nationalize to them. No, he not supposed to be 50-50.
Oh, we have not seen a 50-50 na be ma with me so. Sometimes. Mona, you have a airport man down. Sometimes.
Okay, I 14 years. Yeah, airport man.
Oh,
yes. Okay. Anyone not let me give example. Big man 500. Anyone not negori. Anyone not nego as a responsible father who attending era ya balance ya eta we aya mu go da mu 100,000 no really no na really only area ya mira na me ma ya nwa mi ma ya nwa re one anything one no uri ni ya
area no bros Mr. Marvelous Mr. Marvelous guy the reality is this when we anaragbona emi sọ̀rọ̀ ni me I just look saying so many people they just do something like are you wearing yeke when we western world now or we ya do ya piri now listen you gave birth to a child a boy which is has to do with your own son o yere we omani na wu baba na to say guy gba mi ro pa omani na wu baba na ovie single mother no we zero nani they don't make we your own son ariere ma we ovie no dion to tu bio yo woman take care of am amusto mwere odo make we odo necessary thing okpa ije so mwesore odo experience now the good Samaritan one you did me where can help you for future. But the reason why we're saying is concentrate on your bond child before you can do for outsiders. Now let us not even go there. Like I said earlier, Ou rien ouais, ou était en deck, ou était doit there, have bag of rice in a girlfriend where vivre away. Gamia ou était en deck one bag rice no or who no ruwa, keki is important. The message Mr. Kobe preach. A message, okay, away, or no marry, or who no cabiene, no. He preach a message of Veni Mejana, Mababu Kameruwa. He has a wove yoe, then who no maybe a cabiene, no bielomave, nearo, Mezoni yoe, then even he have a Ubeku primary school. He have your own arrive or rescue binetium. He has got a young. He make no kiamena. That's the direct message. Let us not swing it. We do they like too much talk. Where finish it. He does not need to finish it.
Okay, another way again. Mama, she's married. Mama, where a message in a direction where we are talking about Okonuma marry no friend in no more. I don't know who one marry. And if you were Niro wa we gba o ya we ya gba give single mother no ya lo ya ke pa we wiki o pa we moti e on ya kobe nya kai the message no kai and the basic go mother very on he love what you love for me ya hello
Iwa kobe ma wrong give me afa no time no gba no kobe ma wrong at all the maka better wrong ma wrong
a single mother will love ya. So we're not here money. Oh, so okay, we're not here as a responsible father. Kakabo, otaso no. Otaso no, otaso wa. Ba o monu e ka we bie. O monu we ye is spam we ya produce ajabon. Okay, no policy dan. O kun we ya lelewo we. We ru di vie o mo enu e. Wa sigo no to sugo nu kunne sigo tan we lelevo e omon we ye spam we produce all lock no ya go ni ya he
Epa we sigo mother I love why will you say that what is sigo mother I love
e mo tai I dey hear
why change topic na do we sigo mother wala o why change do we sigo mother wala o but we talk
o se na we change topic have it.
They change it because it's okay. So the message is direct. We can see every Oma gbunu your single mother. Or tie direct where one make a friend the way. Ugba oge mo wenoro wa ke gba we girlfriend. It's a direct message to everybody.
Single mother, ya dame yo say. Osunu jawe.
He made time now.
Mom Jore. You are not responsible. Otaniye kame Mom Jore bi no la agbogbò no gwale ma. Okoegbe 40 years uje, 100 years uje, 80 years uje, you dey stay Nigeria as a man, or you dey abroad 60 years, 50 years, wala gugu, wala tia. Man, if you go today, my brother, my honey, my learn, and it kodukun. They are raw because we may say iha, now we may say yamato. If we are raw, ni aba we bury the next month. Vosie ozemi oge me honne ne ma bia amwe e batana ladia doro kene a stepfather na total on a collected bra because 50% of women ya boast ogawa wu ave gwale nokoke oke atotaba oke awe marriage yive tie nokoke oke akole bra prize. Maybe I don't know. But my honey, my doro, and you yaro.
No more progress. No guy worry about.
Why good time?
Worry yourself. Or where I my hair. Let it waste time. Do I not time in there?
Mommy, society way. Then okay, more progressive. Not now. Okay, me what they would do. Why are you? Okay, kiri. Oh, a court marriage of power. What call lawa? Me kwe no we want those traditional ikwe de demede bu de ne ra de tutaiwa ikwe era arifnya hu igba fia and ove ro o bia o ma bia we no je ana mi ewe mebie rado hu omo bia no o ti ri go gin e vera e beriani ejo because e ma bun no rewe bona ni ra hu we Nigeria ha ye he ho e ni ma jo so we no o mi le Velo zeda. Obi me kwe no verbere era na continue yan na. Me kwe era awu yan agwa gya era yi. Me ma on ivu owi yan be tase me ne yan we. Kera ke obi an me on me na de ni gwa laki. Ye o otamagi yan asa. Njama asa otani. Iyan jo awari go giyan. Wa mana mi ni wa mo ke gbegwe wa gwa le so vesi loku we. No o ma je mi we no rode. Me awa cause pe so wicked go ma wicked yan ebe mania okay we no pass on me vai we ya mo si go mo da no mo me a ozu oni de ni mo mi awa we wicked yan agbon na punishment ja agbon na evun ja agbon na fire o wa we ri eni yan we kutu mo pe na so wicked
wickedness, sister. Dead body no who of the careful, ne? A wickedness of Barba no way, Ruda, oh, yeah, my river. My dear sister, the truth is, guy, let us normalize, let's try to always, without of anger, only Madege mi na be ti mani ko na wa do appreciate ogwa ogie wa ri mo ye na mi egwetia oye mi awa bi so ye tia do aso life nya oni ado we mi le kan ti exist mara stand we gugu na fi weri ya mi no ma fi weri ya mi no kasu nu wege no pe o kan do fi weri be gugu ya mother stand gumega ma wo mo no ma je kenera na gu ni meta uwe ma je gbe so we can be careful when ni je gbe me e je mi mo o mo na sire ona ya be gije yimi
e pa forget no bi re we na we bury afe
mata e wa do ta mi ne ave mi ne titi wa ya do amo nu se to mi ta me ko ma do egbo ni
forget ni because na you corona person ya na wa yo
egbo mo
no get e want to one what do you want to one I mean no get we yan wo
what do I give ave mi ne
mi agwa le picture we wari
person na for anything I want to when my bo mo pa dey e ga ata kon
wa ma dey but emi no sunu dama o ma ya gun abagun na you understand so emi o ma sunu dama ihe we no je me ti do are pain oga iune owa you no bagie we no ya gun okay the George University do lad yan we no ya when stress no ro.
My sister, it's my work. You have so everywhere video, but it's matter no.
What about the way that she go more down or we can not get
where the matter no see that.
Mama, if we wanna ime be no gwa wi shije na ho.
Where the matter ma ko be kian ogu gwe ni kian oge no.
Because e ma ko be kian ori otari.
Mommy Jory. Wa to me yelo ku. Ihe ano water o. Wala gogo wa ni ke wa mute. Ya le mom yorota. Mom yori la.
WhatsApp me. When you have a gift me yeti wa do arito tamana. A gift hero e pa WhatsApp hero e o. Wa gari break. No gift. Mama we sa me won.
Wa pa wala gogo.
When you have the mineral mene ike akeson agun. If no agun ai ta gbera mo. Nu awa so ejina. I dey women now. I be gift jo. Wa are program ni wa enjo wa gbele gift ni ya. Wa won wa do are to. Dey tin e be ni ga tell lati. Get ready. I always say, ask it shall be given not to you. Abi? I always say, oh, God bless you. Where I go better, we go to Tamana, you don't buy a lie. You want me here, you receive a call. I always say, wherever I see it, but I don't wait Tina. I'm not going to this after 7. My progress, Devin, what a tie.
Iwe nula ubu. Deni ro. Nuwe vegbewe. Nuwe egafi wedie. Ya bwimade. Ve midiana. Ihoni muwe. Doro. Idene.
Ma progress dame yo kome wagu. Why beg agmoni mari livina. Oluga na agmonete. O mora wera magba orin e ka bogba orira. Uke domi omo no zeje ra no magba ore yo masiyan 20. Ore marriage na vetana. Omo era mona gele gba oro mo hi awe marriage no ekerege egbe mi listenera ona amego. Even owera we change everything. But era mana gba ore owera pakapaka make. O manage we very on a listener in any double even of your gear. Then you said the main one can not belly go to Quera lava. I will one even a Canada what to type Palaba on have you no need dinner. Oh, funny. Yeah, friends are an enemy. I get married so holy nimo with 3 million. If any man I do give. Era lava ma with a dog belly go near. There, Terraco case, era Rubecan and not belly go to. Oh, we are robot, but you go near me with the rest 2 million. No, Yara, where I now, King of my King of me, yak belly go near, a really boy here away now. So, no, I wear a law if you worry of a gear. Guagba Ogomo, or the care or a dogwallo, or a dogwallo, webokeke, or a dogwallo empty and the Oya dogwallo webokeke. Urie no ijo mwefeyana. Wa ibia mowe ukoke eru we makokuwa. Na wa forgetting na watawe hallelujah ne prisa iwa vie yi ban ye iwa vie.
Oh mama yore. Arigo no mama egwa kana. Agbalo mari. Me ho ni me. Me mare mi ode ni me ya nware. We ijo mo. Amamu go ye Ijimahu, for example, where awe ije no bima. Amamu go yo hu. Ado mu go ye omoni ye bi ohun. Egba. Amana eri obeje oga ave miwe, for example, awe ijima no kwa or ave rima no ka wu before. Ama no he do wu now. Iya we na ka ya no ko denne amana oni ne now egai not no
that one a normal thing.
Okay, so
you no ko down the back no
so even all say na me we some of Nigeria people na we honi ave biebun because ya we don na de o na ga filie ele no keka be filie ele so o ga be deverio o se manave gwa kana ma honne eraba ohi omono bie that one first number 1 very important ba ohobue ba ohomonu bie asiya egwe wa agegwe omo anware agwalera but o ga idewe eraba ba
when you have a tour anybody no get gwa na tour na be vie ma be yoduko na talk about fresh one
Ijo na kama wewe oyine alaba. Wa ne la gogo my son. Ase this better Ruda all the sugbe. We ga be pa o wi we ere Ruda ijino. Ijo na kama wewe era amaba ogewe ajo my son my brother anywhere no hiaje. La gogo ka mi wewe oje. Etari go nerame but onana na uneru gumejeba gume awe mi ne na u nebe hibore o yo tore o paverio ama wenu mu igore o beti you must present
my progress when mo bu na bia be we bo ni ri oge gbe na we Nigeria yen jo Ivana we abi babu we akweta me we that stop o ma tata block you we lie. Why ga why then why you joke why picture marriage ari palo or we no exist me bonana bio
mani buma joke wa ba eri mania mani buma joke wa ba eri mania mani buma joke wa ba eri ma mani bon very mejenia merawebo erime
oge beria meta we no ge marriage meje e meta na e mona bia we webo oge webo lo e webo yan lele lo e webo ite by the grace of God ke do me no we yen Africa yen ya mo yen do ni
but no ma be do we ma but ye to bien
cut marriage o e lo e webo yen
ye to bien obi yen be de
Mommy, you're a
se be no ya o se be kia
Misao, mama get gama be
go topic no roto na beni ke Daniel si mommy you're a top be why ni re ma wa bi so why ni be o
papa wa tap me o
ou vient ogbeji ipe ani abadan ni via ya zeri kwore we maybe where so ya mo single girl ya abadan no money akabie so ya zejo ya do no kwado bo agun ya ro wo ye sono oye na wadaze eso ase oye ga gbeligo vi kuya ga gbeligo we ba ya ga gbeligo ni huhu ga kesigo moda kesigo ga ya zeyo owo kiyan ya zeyi vi ya e oni na be asa
finish ni one more topic obere wa jere na topic of pa
una la opia una do alele okolo ka bie una do last do marry okoni e me advice bia wa gba ohe money ihu oni ka bie because ona be ni meje I am number one example. If you make up be me, okay, I want that for it. You understand me? Na more dion will be jime. Obi ani ka be mo yo dion. We are fefe. Me na kadola webu. If you be ani mo do zede ni bumi pe webu. Ubere na. Upon where the man ya te or na me where e mo bi o one for where e mo bi me be last. Osano bana do jimo bo gugu nwa na ga nwa fa me na ka do lawebo me no ikala webo ni ga ka we mo bi oyan no mo ri do ze wi e money e bie mi pe webo so wa ge ba ge e mo no ko ni ka bie ji yo we de ba ko ni gba re because o so ba gbe mi ave do de kon ri we ba ko e mo no ko ni ka bi yan won ne e mo no we bie ko to do no go ko ni gba ri yan we no biana Umana marry is okay, but una marry okoni no kame mowe na ma we na ba mu he ya nyawo I bet una no money ke le we just ureba ni ni because I no have no gbe ba ko ero because I may say one about I which me na do me accident I do fear owo pa aga ni yen kwi me fo ane it's a life story ugwa ke me na struggle ke na do struggle la webu you see money ga oni e ya dere last like the okay egbe ona be ade who understand the na so e ma gbona una re life ko no ka be na we tu ri ejuwa gba ogo mo no do rival o ga ga si go mo da be e be abandon no we wo we si go mo da ni when ya zigo na no be abandon no who we so e ma gbona hin oni wa contribute to you because orientation e ma so do give you na e ga na de energy make be better o wa kaka ya mamoto na ya ki gbibata agana de aki okori won la moto adiedo o we ya la na na moto agila eni no bu fi were ene baby many people are still thinking ancient of days or you gwe mani bu then ya matriti ko we ene de no ko ma ya de say oh before we politician na na ko ni bu la de eni ni bu fi were ene so why can't we abandon no more? And then who obi awu seba e ma so etiri beriera egbe se 3 hours. Awa presenting in the gbe wa ni do wa vio ni no wa fiye kegberegbe. Iye wonye wa ware ba pa ne. Eri amuma ya we beri anira. E ma so wara wetin e we marriage be na ye tasi. Ogwa vie ni yare. E ba ni agara ba si nus no si. Ani o ma ga umo e. Any no well what? When no well what? Just a worry for that 2-3 hours in the 1 year over. Ogi keke you will go a bread price your barrier. Enjoyment no my job a human e bomb. Oh go ni onyeme ni no mori no ma onado asame no ma wo. E meso a rigwe ni imuji ala ni ihweji ihweri a. Iye de ni egba to ten egba fi boya pampari ra e. Ni egba we ni obi ani have your be se ogwo se on a peace of mind. Wa area vaccine ni bia bu wa. Why do I go where they cannot sunu? Any nibu sunu, things are happening.